Hello, I'm Denise Hoban and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be discussing an AI tool that will help generate beautiful images using applications called Discord and Midjourney. And these applications work just by you writing a small script and telling it what you want to see. So Discord, the first application I'm going to talk about, is actually it's kind of like the kitchen. It's where everything happens. It's a free communication platform where the big picture just comes together. And Midjourney is actually the recipe. And this tool actually creates the art. You give it the instructions, your recipe, through Discord, and then it generates the images. So to get started, first thing you're going to need to do is to create a Discord account. And you would go to discord.com in order to do that. And I'm not going to walk through the details on how to do that. But then you're going to jump into Discord, and then there's a link in there where you can sign up for Midjourney as well. And Midjourney right now, I believe, is about $8 a month for the for the basic plan, and it goes up from there. So before I jump over to my screen and actually get into the visuals of this, I do want to explain, set some expectations that AI is still in the development mode and it can't read your mind. And so you need to be as specific as you can with the type of results that you want it to deliver to you. So you need to tell it what colors you want it to use, what style you want it to use, if you want it to be a flat design or something Art Deco. In other words, you have to really describe to it what you want to see. And with AI tool, it doesn't always return the exact same results every time. So if you're doing like a specific character generation, that character could be slightly tweaked each time that it's generated. But I'll show you some tips. I'm not sure if I'll show you during this video or another video how to handle that. And just AI is just ever changing. So what I'm teaching you today might already change tomorrow. And AI, it does have a problem reading, or I should say outputting text. So what I'm going to show you today is just an example of how to generate some logos. And I'm going to generate just image logos without any text in it. So, okay, so let's dive in as we sign over onto my computer. Thanks. Okay, so at this point, you've signed up for Discord and you come into Discord, and the first thing you're going to do is Discord has a lot going on with it, and 99% of it I don't even know. I'm going to teach you what I know as far as the image generation is concerned. So, and I have the account with Midjourney, so I'm going to click on this little sailboat icon over here that says Midjourney. And I'm going to make sure that I click on the Get Started information page. And what it's doing is it's basically congratulating you for joining the Midjourney venture. And then you've got an option here to actually create your account. And again, I think I said that it cost, gosh, I can't remember, $8, $20. I can't remember what it is, but you sign in to get your membership into Midjourney. And then what you can also do too before you jump into the Midjourney platform itself, you can come out here and there's little rooms out here, again, channels, whatever you want to call them. Think of it as folders, whatever you want to call it. There's different rooms that you can go into where you can start creating your own images. And how you would do that is you type in at the prompt, and I'll show you this here in a second. You type in /image, and then this little prompt will show up. And then you type in whatever it is that you want the system to create. And you give different instructions, like if a style, like if you want to see Picasso or something like that, a picture or a flat
clip art type image or a cartoon image or a coloring book style image, you can type that in here as well with the description. After you've typed it in, it'll take about 60 seconds or so, and it will reply with 4 images. And again, I'll show you this when we get into it, but it's going to have like 4 quadrants set up on an image. But as you're doing this, as you've created the image, understand that other people are creating the images at the same time that you are in this same folder. So you might have to scroll up or down to get to your output. Underneath each picture, you're going to have numbered buttons underneath them to get either upscales, which are you, which basically just means it's going to produce it scale, and then you've got also variations, which what you can do if you click on box 1, V1, so variation 1, it's going to take whatever you have in box 1 and it's going to generate a variant or another option similar but not like the original version. Additional information that this getting started menu gets you is that there's more instruction on how to do things in Midjourney. You can also go out to, and I'll show you this at the end of the video, you can go out to your own Midjourney place. It's kind of like your own web browser page where all of your pictures that you've generated are stored. And there's a lot more options in that one too, to do variations on your pictures too. So otherwise, any new announcements will be posted out here. They give you tips on how to do things or new commands that are out, status, rules, etc., etc. For right now, I'm going to come out here to one of these newbie channels, show you an example of how you would enter the text and do the upscaling, etc. So one of the other things that this is nice for, so everybody is out there sharing this same server, you can actually see what prompts that other people have typed in. So you can learn from their prompts as well. Okay, and you remember how we were talking about the 4 different quadrants, the 4 pictures? So what you could do on this, if you did upscale, I'm just going to click on this other person's upscale, and it's going to be this picture, and it's going to put it down at the bottom. So here we are. This is me, Aunt Dee Dee. So now I've upscaled that picture. Of course, it continually scrolls on you, so you have to be careful. So you can upscale it subtle, which means a subtle change. You can upscale it to be very creative. You can vary it subtle or vary it strong. Or you can even vary out a specific region. Let's say you wanted to delete all these people or something. I think you can do that. So I'm going to come in here and you have to do this every time when you're in Discord. /imagine, and you see when I'm doing /imagine, there's a bunch of other options that you can change to. I'm not going to get into all of them now because otherwise I'd be teaching you for 10 hours straight plus. So I did imagine, I did a space bar, and my prompt shows up. So it's telling me, what do you want to see? Let's do a cute fox cartoon image with big glasses. And you see here it's waiting to start, and it still hasn't finished yet. It's 10%, 22%. Oh, here we go. Here's our cute little foxes with big glasses. So I already showed you the upscale once, so it's just going to bring up a more refined version, like more pixels or whatever in your piece of art, and then you can export it so it's an even better picture. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So that would be quadrant 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to do a different version of the box in the lower right hand corner. Okay, and now it's going to start. I'm going to scroll down to the new screen, and you can see here I'm making a variation for image number 4. So I'm now put into the queue with everybody else. And right now it's about 10%, 20% complete. Okay, so here's my version changes of character number 4. So anyways, so that's how you can get a picture in Discord. And what you can do is if you right mouse, there's different options that you can do. If you highlight one of them or highlight them, then you can also do a copy image, a save as image. You can copy the image link, all kinds of stuff that you can do out there. From here, I'm going to show you guys how to get over to your Midjourney account, what that's all about. So I'm going to go back to the getting started. And to see my creations in a gallery, I'm going to sign in at midjourney.com. Now I'm in actually Midjourney itself, the other application. And again, these are pictures that other people have generated. So you can right mouse on a picture, use the prompt or use the image or use a reference style on it. So basically the reference style would be kind of like, I want this vibe, this white color tone in my picture with, this background or whatever in it. And you can also click here and you can use the text. So you can actually take this person's project that they did and copy the text that they use to generate this object as well. So just another little tip. And then we're going to come out to my page. And actually, if I hit create here, when you're in Midcord and under your own account, you don't have to type in Imagine here anymore. You notice how the Imagine and the prompt here is gone. Now I want to do, let's say I want to do a cute panda bear with big glasses. And I just hit return. And again, you'll see the progress over here. Look at those cute pandas. Anyways, there's different things that you can do over here too. If you like this, you can hit rerun on the whole row, or you can do the very subtle, strong, etc. But there's more that you can do as well. And again, you can use the text again. If you say, yeah, but I don't want, actually, let's do this with big glasses, standing in a bamboo forest. Oh, that is so cute. All right, I'm back. I had a small technical difficulty with my computer locking up. So now I'm going to show you how to create a logo. So I'm copying this over from something that I had just done when I was offline. And it's basically, it says logo, a flat graphic minimal logo with white background that exudes tranquility and relaxation. And this is the result I got from that. And now let's say I want to change the colors on this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop over to something, and it's called www.color.hex.com. And this gives you all kinds of different palettes that you can choose from. And right now I'm going to click on the color palette of Faded Rose. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy this here, and I'm hoping this will work for me. And I'm going to come over here and I'm put a period and say using this color palette. And let's see if I can just paste in. Okay, so I'm going to hit return. Not really, but I like all those designs. In fact, I think I like this one. That's really cute. Now I'm going to click on this particular picture. Variables, cover, mix, more option, use and prompt. Okay, so I'm going to use this picture in the prompt. And actually what you can do too, let me see. I can't remember if I can just drag that up into it. I can. So I want to use this as basically the vibe. And then I want to do the same thing again. And I think I can do here, copy, right mouse. I'm going to copy the prompt. So the letters, and then I'm going to go Control V and paste it up here. And this time I just want to use that green color. And I forgot what it is already, so let me come back here. Copy that again. Copy. Okay, I'm going to hit return. And let's see what we get this time. I'm going to close that because as you can see here, it's generating me 4 images. Okay, so I guess the image that I used overrode the color that I wanted, which that's fine. I'm still getting used to this, like I said. So play with it. That's how you basically make a picture. Now, if you want to export it, share and save image, so you can save it down. You can copy an image if you want to put it out into a Word document or something like that. That's all there is to it. Yeah, let me know if you have any other questions, and just play with it, use your own words, and talk to it like it's a human. All right, thanks. Bye.